This bridge doesn't just look medieval, it's a Victorian powerhouse that still opens hundreds of times a year for ships. And it almost got sold by mistake. Tower Bridge is one of London's most recognisable landmarks. Tourists often mistake it for London Bridge, but this striking structure is in a league of its own. Completed in 1894 after 8 years of construction, Tower Bridge was built to connect London's East End without blocking the busy River Thames. The solution was clever, a suspension bridge combined with a drawbridge. The drawbridge sections, called bascules, were originally powered by steam engines and so well balanced that they could rise in just a minute. Today, hydraulics do the lifting, but the Victorian machinery is still preserved inside. Even now, the bridge opens around 800 times a year, and ships can request a lift for free if they book in advance. The towers themselves weren't just about strength. They were designed in a Gothic style to complement the nearby Tower of London. This mix of utility and beauty turned Tower Bridge into both an engineering achievement and a symbol of the city. It's also the source of some wild stories. Many visitors confuse it with London Bridge, a much simpler structure just upstream. When London Bridge was sold to an American in the 1960s, rumour has it he thought he was buying Tower Bridge. True or not, the myth only boosted Tower Bridge's fame, and in 1952, a bus driver had to accelerate and jump across the rising bascule to avoid plunging into the Thames, an incredible moment that went down in history. Today, Tower Bridge is more than just a way to cross the river. Visitors can walk across glass floors high above the Thames, watch the bridge lift from the inside, and enjoy some of the best views in London. At night, its illuminated towers and walkways transform it into one of the city's most photogenic sights. Tower Bridge isn't just a bridge, it's a reminder of London's creativity and resilience. Whether you're crossing it, sailing beneath it, or photographing it, it remains one of the most enduring icons of the city. Thanks for watching Mandavids. If you enjoyed this journey through Tower Bridge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me as we explore more of the world's most fascinating landmarks.